What is going on, my friends? My favorite people, Vitai the Bean is here, and welcome to another episode of today's in Crypto Show. Thank you for all of the birthday wishes. I appreciate you so much. How time flies. I turned 36 yesterday. We had a great time. About 30 people came to my birthday party, and really it was great times. It was magician and great music, and most importantly, amazing people. So thank you for all the birthday wishes, and I also wish you guys that we have a tremendous year 2022. Now let's get right into the content, what we are talking about, what's new in the markets, what is happening with Bitcoin, with crypto. Let's talk about that. What we are seeing right now is Bitcoin is about to close the month of January in about 8 hours. And what we are seeing is this picture. We are above $35,000, which is really good. If we were closing the months below this level, we're actually would be turning bearish on the monthly level, which is very significant. But we did not do that. So yes, we had some painful 3 months. We got rejected here at $69,000. We had a brutal November, December, and January, but we did not close below $35,000. And overall, what it means is that we are likely to be in a mid-bullish cycle that has been prolonged, like we discussed so many times in this channel, on our show. And we can see some area of consolidation, a little bit bigger area of time will pass. We consolidate here, and then boom, we'll go higher, top out, create our lower high, and then come back to these levels at the bottom of the bear market, and then ready to do the cycle again, reaching new heights, right? So that's kind of where things are right now. That's good, bullish on the monthly, that we are doing like this. We found support around $33,000, which is very good, exactly what we wanted, and avoided the catastrophic fall below $30,000. You can see it by this daily candle right here. And overall, yeah, things are looking okay right now. We need to be just more patient, and this has historically been a very good buying opportunity, as we are severely oversold. A lot of selling has been happening in the market. Now let's talk about some very good news. First, I'll start with this one. WisdomTree is launching a wallet. It's a $76 billion asset manager. So it's a pretty big fish in the financial markets, allowing users to buy Bitcoin and crypto. This is the type of things that we want to see as adoption of Bitcoin, of crypto, of Ethereum, and all the crypto in the next 8 years to reach 3.4 billion users, which is 3 billion more than what we have right now. We have about 300 million users. To 10x the user base, we need more stories like that. We need more adoptions, more user base. So that's definitely a move in the right direction. You can see some of the biggest asset managers. BlackRock, 10 trillion. Look what's happening with BlackRock. Plans to blockchain and tech ETF amid crypto meltdown. Fidelity, $8 trillion under management. Fidelity plans US ETFs tied to metaverse crypto industry. Charles Schwab, $7.5 trillion considering filing for a crypto spot ETF. BNY Mellon, $2.4 trillion sees potential for digital asset revenue in 2023. So you can see the biggest players in the crypto in the financial markets, right, with trillions of dollars. They are all going full speed with crypto. That's very good signs. Another news coming from Arizona. Arizona bills aim to make Bitcoin a legal tender. Now, this bill, of course, may face trouble on constitutional grounds and may not be passed through, but it will be very nice to see. And this is the effort that those bill makers are attempting to make Bitcoin a legal tender, just like El Salvador did, and El Salvador president predicts gigantic price increase for Bitcoin. Gigantic price increase for Bitcoin. There is not enough Bitcoin for global millionaires. There are over 50 million millionaires in the world. Imagine when each one of them decides they should own at least one Bitcoin, but there will ever be only 21 million Bitcoin. No enough for even half of them. A gigantic price increase in just a matter of time. That's the president of El Salvador. He's right. He's right. There's not enough Bitcoin for all the millionaires in the world right now. And that's very bullish for Bitcoin as a narrative, as this digital gold. Another story is coming from Indonesia. Indonesia trading regulator approves to trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano. Now, this is, of course, regulatory news, but this is important for adoption. When we want to see crypto in 8 years with over 3 billion new users. So we are moving in the right direction. Now, Meta, previously Facebook, goes to Brazil to trade my Bitcoin. Now, you know, they try to get their hands, Facebook, into crypto. They created Libra. Libra became Diem. Diem is dead right now, but Facebook is not done with crypto, right? 2 years and 7 months ago, Facebook decided to launch the Diem coin. Diem reportedly selling all of his assets, of course. But they are going to make their move through Metaverse, and make a lot of money there. And of course, with NFTs and everything is based on blockchain crypto. Now, I like this from Lago Davis. Bitcoin trying to break out of its downtrend on the RSI. You can see, just like we had back then, May to July, we broke down from the RSI. Right now, we are attempting to do so. Maybe it will happen very soon, in the next few days. We will break from this downtrend on the RSI on a daily and move on. Now, we did have one of the worst January since 2018. What's happening right now, February is usually a green month, you can see. So the odds are in our favor, that's for sure. And February can be a very, very blessed month for the cryptocurrency holders. Solana wallet Phantom raises $109 million, bringing valuation to $1.2 billion. That's very good news for Solana holders. Of course, if you're a holder, if you're not a seller, if you sell, you are not holding anymore. So if you bought Solana a little bit upper and you sold during the recent crash, then you are not a holder anymore. But Solana has big projects, big developments, a lot of adoption, user base, DeFi, NFT, and it's pretty fast. So you know, it's a matter of time. It has a very good chance to mark its bigger market share. Now, looking at adoption, we have from crypto credit card usage reaches $2.5 billion in the first quarter. Very, very good. Very, very good for crypto, of course. Are you having a crypto card, a crypto credit card? If not, then why not? You should get one. There's a lot of choices out there that you can take. One of them is crypto.com, for example. There's other choices that you can get a card of crypto and just load money on there with crypto and use it. You can see $2.5 billion. It's not a small amount. And it's crazy to see how many celebrities are jumping on NFTs. Justin Bieber just bought a Bored Ape NFT for $1.3 million. So good for him. Very good for him. Showing that, hey, I can do that. I can buy. Yeah, he looks pretty similar to him. You can say, right? Everybody's trying to find their monkey. Eminem just bought, so you know, they're just jumping on that. Hey, we're celebrities. We're buying those monkeys. We're rich enough to afford to pay $1 million for a monkey. So that's kind of the game that people are playing in that regard. So that's what I want to share with you. I appreciate your likes, your comments, subscribe to the channel, stay up to date to the crypto markets. I wish you a fantastic week, fantastic start of the month. and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Today in Crypto Show.